Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning, back at Copart. Cars everywhere you look, just how I like it. I'm like a kid in a candy store. So we're about to head out through the lot and find the cars that I want to look at, that I found, that are on my watch list, and see if we can find any more to add to the watch list. Let's get to the first car. So each row, and I'm not sure if you could see the F all the way up there, comes back through here and are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars deep. And it comes all the way back through here and goes all the way back through there. So they give you the row. Other than that, you got to find your car. So I know I'm getting close. Got to be careful on the ice here. But this is the first one on my list I want to look at. This is Lexus NX 200T. As you can see, got against something like a wall or something back here. That's circled because the hood's buckled. I'm guessing this hit a deer. Buckled here. Telltale signs of hitting a deer, but I don't see any fur hanging off of it. Lost type of unknown. So inspected till September, but we have lost type of unknown. Everything else looks good. Tires are like new. Kinergies. All right, so this is a 2017. A look inside. We have this kind of fake carbon fiber look to it. Dirty, but this has a really neat interior. I really like these. Oh boy, do I like these. This one here does have power. Checked in advance. Very dirty, but this one's high up on the list. 142,000 miles. Starts right up. Are we greeted with any... Not too many lights here. The TPI, the door being open, does require maintenance. But we have heat coming on right away. We have heated seats, heated steering wheel. Reverse, yep. Drive, yep. Eco, normal, sport mode for your drive modes. You have the, well, it's loading, but you have this touch pad here for your screens. These are really nice. And this one here, having the tag of unknown, I did see the damage. They did have the damage highlighted on the pictures, but with unknown, it could be mechanical and body damage. So you have to come out here and take a look at these. Mechanically, this seems to be perfectly fine. All of the gauges are fine. The damage, very light, doesn't scare me, so this will be high on the list. But well worth coming out to check, because now I know what's wrong with it and what isn't. Let's move along to find another vehicle. All right, walking through the rows. What is that? Chevy Traverse. Let's see what's going on here. These sell very well. I'm waiting to find the side with all the damage. A little bit right there, no big deal. Creased fender there. Door. Back through here. All minor. Let's see what the loss type is. Loss type is minor dents and scratches. Well, they're not wrong. We are out of inspection now. This side looks good. Let's go back over here. That quarter's too far gone for PDR, but the door, yeah, I would replace the door as well. This door and this can be repaired with PDR. Take a look at the inside. Oh, I like the color. The peanut butter and black. I like that. Is it just me, or everybody says just the old guys like this color? Well, I guess I'm old because I like it. I think we have power in this one too, but I like this interior. Let's see. We'll cross our fingers that I don't have to call for a jump because it's cold out here. Okay, starts up. Started up a little rough. I mean, it is cold. It's only 19 degrees out here today. But, yeah, just the TPI. It's idling a little rough. I'm really surprised that the engine light isn't on. There it is. You touch the accelerator and it comes on immediately. Okay. So there is a problem here. All right. Minor dents and scratches and mechanical. So I don't know. I'm going to have to probably remove this one from the list. Unless it goes for dirt cheap. We'll see. I'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, this one here, the pictures don't do justice when it comes to how good a car looks or how bad a car looks. The dents on the driver's side here did not seem quite as bad till you get out here and you get to look at the side of it. A lot of work. And then you add the mechanical issues on top of it, guys. This one's going to drop way down on the list, but I'll still keep an eye on it. Some of these go for dirt cheap. I'm going to have a video coming out on bidding and bidding here at Copart and IAA compared to bidding at the public auto auctions. How it's different, how I approach both types of auctions differently, and the different things to look for. So stay tuned. Let's go find another car. So just to pan around, give you an idea of just how many cars there are here. Down there are the larger trucks, tractor trailers, motorcycles, and 4x4s are way against the fence, but it's crazy. All right, this is truck row here, and we're looking for a black Dodge Ram with the last four numbers of 9985. That's on my list. Oh, there's a black Ram. Let's see. All right, minor dents and scratches, 9685. That's the one. Right off the bat, I'm not sure exactly what they were going for with the finish of this. I would just go to a junkyard, you pull it, and replace both. Yes, both the bumper and the grille. Fender flares cracked. We have misalignment on the door, which dented the fender. Normally when you have these fender flares, you're going to have rust up and around. So I want to show you. That's filled in with housing styrofoam or insulation. So that's going to be pretty deep. I also like to see, frame isn't bad. I've seen a lot worse. It's not good. The bed is horrible though. If you can, let me see if I can get under there. See that? Bed rusted through. So yeah, this one's bad, really bad. Again, another reason to come out and look at these. They're not going to take pictures of the undercarriage. They're not going to get close enough so you can see pictures of filling in rust holes with housing insulation. That's happened to me a couple times. But you live and learn. Not a very good day out here today so far. Let's end the day on finding something worthwhile. So I'm walking up the line here when I look over and something catches my eye. And yes, I know I shouldn't, but I have to. I had a Range Rover Discovery and I absolutely loved it until I started to have electrical problems. And I think this is a Sport or Velar. I love the color. Let's see what the lost type is. Minor dents and scratches. I mean, it's not here just for minor dents and scratches. I'm going to guess it's going to be a combination of mechanical and dents and scratches. Like right here. I would just knock that out or just drive it as is, get the right wheel and tire like it should be on here. But are you going to tell me that's all there is on here? That's all I see. I'll have to do the history on here. I don't see into other areas. Came from New Jersey, so it was probably at an auction there. Let's take a look inside. So it's the R Dynamic. Very nice. Is this the Velar? Which one is this? Yep, Velar S. Very nice interior. I doubt there's going to be, well, we have some trees here. I doubt there's going to be power. Never is on these things. I'll have to call for a jump. But very nice. And we do have the wheel back there. Oh, we could see the chunk out of the tire. I know why it's not on there. So it probably, with a blow like that, has a little bit of an alignment issue. So that would be mechanical along with minor dents and scratches. Let's see if we can get under the hood. By the way, right next to it is the Grand Sport that I was leading in the bid for quite some time, but it went way up higher than what I was willing to pay. And I don't even think it reached the buyback bid. Yeah, this looks pretty nasty in here. Buyback bid or reserve is another way to describe it. It hasn't been serviced in some time. So I'm sure we'll see this one back up on the block pretty soon. I actually knew the previous owner. And he did say it was hit by a Jeep Grand Cherokee. And it spun him around a couple times. And he said the wheel was about to fall off. So there would be some major damage up in there, along with the body and fiberglass damage. But without the damage, this car would still be worth about $28,000 or so. I'm sure he misses it. All right, let's button this back up. If I can get it started today, we'll see. Maybe it'll go on the list just to keep an eye on it. So, walking down the aisle, come across the Audi Q7. And I'm not an Audi guy at all, and I know better and I should keep walking, but when I see the unknown, 2021 Q5, unknown. How can it be unknown at just 4 years old? Let's see if we can find some damage. Nothing on this side. Nothing on that side. Oh, that's a good looking interior. You guys know I have a weakness for the black and sort of peanut butter color. So we know the loss type is going to be mechanical. And I'm going to guess electrical. Because the electrical in Audis, horrible. Tires aren't in great shape. But only 36,000 miles on her. Let's see if she runs. Huh. Everything's firing up. Man, this thing is ready to go. This thing wants to go out and drive. We got the welcome, we got the radio playing. I got to get that turned off before I get a strike. There we go. Oh, let me see. See if I could find, I mean, I don't see any check engine lights. It's not happy about something right here. That could be TPI. It could be because the door's open. But let's, oh my, I mean, just right into gear. Of course, everything's going to work. I don't have to go through the cycle. Everything's going to work in here. It's just, what is it here for? I love these unknowns. They baffle me. I love a challenge. This one's going to be way out of my price range, being a 2021 with only 36,000, but I'm going to put it on the list and watch it anyway. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. Found some interesting vehicles, some that are going off the watch list, some that are dropping down, some that are going up. Let me know what you want to see when I'm here. You want to see more of the interior, under the hood. Keep seeing more of what I'm doing with the outside, the body, and what I specialize in. Yeah, let me know what makes you happy and I'll show it. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. Catch you in the next video.